This is Real World's new outrigger eye. It consists of 4 parts: a titanium loop, a receiver for the titanium loop that is attached to a screw, a Chicago screw, an Allen wrench set screw, and an Allen wrench. The beauty of this design is you can use it either with a pulley or without a pulley. To put a pulley in, what you do is you get your eye, you run it through, make sure that these are up, set them in, get your set screw, then you screw the screw all the way in and through until it is flush. So it looks like that. It also serves to lock the pole into place. This way you can run your line freely and use a pulley on the end.